back with this video on my side part quick weave that I did for the first time. I wanted to show you guys, talk you through what I did and show you the hair and everything like that. So as you can see, this is the hair basically after I just came from work, so literally just walked in. So this is after 8 hours of working, 2-hour round trip travel, because I travel 1 hour to work there and 1 hour back. Horrible, I know. But yeah, so this is the hair literally after the whole day. I'm gonna show you the back and everything like that. So remember, this is a human blend, so it's a synthetic mix. So I'm gonna just tell you what I got. So basically what I got is the one packet got the closure and everything. So this is the 14, 16, and 18. And then they got the closure in here. I'm gonna show you what I got left. This is only 2. Bundles. That's all I can fit in my hair, basically. So this is an 18-inch, but I did have to cut it. It reaches about like right under my boob, and I am 5'2". So yeah, the 18-inch is long. It's like a 20 to me, and if I put it in the back of me, it hits almost to my butt. So this is the 14-inch that I got left. See how flow it is. If I wanted to use it for a ponytail, I can, or whatever. So yeah, only thing I don't like about this hair is the little static that you see. So I'll get that throughout the day. That's the only thing that I don't like about the hair. So this is the closure. This is how it comes, basically. I did not use the closure because I wanted it to look as realistic as possible. And yeah, so basically this hair gives me no problems. This is a side part quick weave with leave out. I do get a few snags as you see me combing through it right now. But for the most part, this looks really close to my own hair. My hair is left out right here, as you can see. It's left out at the top and everything like that. So this is my first time doing a quick weave ever. I usually can do like sew-ins on myself and everything like that. But this time I had to literally braid my hair down by myself. See, I got a little bit of snags right there. Braid my hair down by myself. Glue and everything. I actually sewed a spandex dome cap on. I got it in a size extra large. The first time I ever used a spandex dome cap in general. So I got a size extra large and everything like that. And yeah, so basically the first thing I did was braid my hair down. I have at least, I don't even know, maybe like 10 braids in my head all around, and I just braided them down like this. I connected them, and then I sewed them together at the top, put them under the dome cap. I put the dome cap on my head, sewed around the perimeter and around my leave out so I could make sure the cap was secure. Then my mistake was I cut the band off all the way around, so I had nothing to really glue the hair on to start off with. So I'm good at finessing stuff, so I fixed it. I basically took the band off all the way around, sewed it down to my braids, and then just started gluing all the way to the top. This is the glue that I used. I wanted to record it, but I was struggling so bad. I was like, I do sew-ins, but I'm having a hard time with a quick weave. That's like ridiculous. You see all these videos that make it look super easy, but it's not. So before you get into getting a quick weave or doing it yourself, make sure you research and know what you're doing, because if you don't, you're gonna be struggling like me. I was sitting there like, should I not even do it? Like, so the problem that I have with this hair, putting it in, the only thing is that the wefts are so thin. That's the thing that I hate about this hair. The wefts are so thin. Obviously, it's cheap hair. I paid about $25 for that pack, and add on the glue and the dome cap is like almost like a $40 hairstyle, basically. And one other thing, this hair is not in every beauty supply store. I went to 6 different hair supply stores before I found this, basically. Oh, and the main important thing, the color I have is a number 2 in this, because it matches my hair pretty much perfectly. I did dye my hair a dark brown box color, just a little like cheap Revlon color. Did that. Yeah, it's definitely a color number 2. Yeah, color 2 is by Shake and Go. Yeah, 14, 16, 18 plus a closure. I'm not sure the length of the closure. I'm assuming it will be 12 inches, but I'm not going to be using this. I don't know what to do with it, but I'm not going to use this. I probably will use this hair for a ponytail or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of short, but I can make it work. But yeah, so the pros about this hair is that the hair is like super silky. I love it. Like, this hair is better than one of the hairs that I got from AliExpress. That Sex A hair that I got that I hated so much. This hair is like 100 times better than that. So that's one pro. A con is, like I said, you do get static throughout the day. Like, your hair won't stay this sleek. You will get a few like strands like coming up or whatever like that. I haven't found something I could put on the hair to prevent that. But for now, I don't really want to put too much stuff because I don't plan on washing this. I plan on keeping this in like maybe 3 weeks. I'm going to try to push it to a month till I get my next hairstyle. So I literally just put this in 2 days ago. Or no, actually, I put this in on Saturday. Today is Tuesday, so a couple days ago I put this in. But as you can see, the hair is like super silky. Like, I love it. People be like, oh, look like your natural hair or whatever. So yeah, I do got a little bit of leave out, obviously. This hair literally just got wet in the rain when I walked in, but nothing happened to it. No frizz, no nothing. The end's a little bit straggly, so I did just cut it straight across on both sides. Like I said, it's a number 2. It costs $25.99 for the pack, or $24.99 for the pack. From Shake and Go. They do have it on Sam's Beauty, but the color choices is not always there. They have a 1B, a 1. I needed a 2. Number 4 is really brown. That's why I didn't get it. They have other textures in this hair, like curly, they got an ombre, different things like that. So far, yes, I recommend this hair. It's actually the best synthetic hair that I've gotten. I've watched so many reviews on it and stuff, and it's like super flowy. I don't worry about it throughout the day, so that's like a big plus. What else? So when I was doing my Quickweave, I noticed once I got to the top, I started to glue the hair in, and then I would spray spritz over it so it could definitely stay. Then I would blow dry. I recommend you, when you're doing this glue method, is to blow dry after you stick it on. Don't just stick it on and go, because it's not going to last as long, especially if you don't keep it in for a month or so. So definitely get you this. This will help you a lot, and make sure it's all the way dry when you are blow drying. People spray it on their cap beforehand, but I don't see like it did anything for me. So yeah, that's basically that. I'm sorry I got a black shirt on, and I'm not tall enough because I have you guys like in the medicine cabinet in my bathroom right now, because I have nowhere else to film, and I wanted to quickly do this video for you guys. So yeah, this is the hair. So this is organic master mix. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box. I'm gonna leave some places you can get it online, but like I said, I had a hard time finding this. I was definitely gonna just order it from Sam's Beauty and wait, but I couldn't wait no longer. You know, I had my passion twisting, and they was getting old. I was still getting compliments, and I felt like my hair looked so old. I had them for like 2 months. So I might do a final review on that hair, just to say if I recommend it or not, and would I ever get it again. I got so much compliments from that hairstyle. It was like the most complimented hairstyle I ever had in my life, but this right here is normal. If I had like my real hair out, this would be exactly how I would look, basically. Same type of probably density, not lengthwise. Length probably would be like about here, basically. But this is how I would look pretty much. So yeah, definitely check this hair out if you can find it. Like I said, it was pretty hard to find, but keep looking, don't give up. I like this hair a lot. I do get a few strands throughout the day, but nothing crazy. Like right now, as I was combing it, I didn't get anything, but
like I said, for the quick weave, you're going to do it. The best thing to get is this glue, 30-second bond glue. Get you some spritz, you're going to need it, and you're going to need some thread and needle. I don't know where the thread and needle is at. It comes with the closure, if you guys are going to do that. I'm so sorry this is not like a tutorial, but like I said, when I was doing this, I was struggling, and it just wasn't working out for me. But in the end, it looks nice to me. I don't know what you guys think, but let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.